have called a press meet today, and we have 16 organizations, including KSA, KNC, SYC, SYJ, and other organizations. We have called a press meet today. And the main intention of the press meet is that we are tomorrow, that is 26th of November 2018, we are trying to shut down Karbi Anglong because our genuine demand has been neglected. Our genuine demand has not been responded by the competent authority, whether the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council or the state government or the central government, which has been ruled by the BJP. Since 2003, 10 February, we have been opposing the very close aid in the BLT Accord because it talks about the inclusion of the Boros in the Scheduled Tribe Hills category. But we have been protesting because it is our genuine right to protest. As the Boro people, we are not against them, but it is mentioned in the Scheduled Tribe Order 1950 that Boros, our Boro brothers, are the Scheduled Tribe plain. And we Karbi, Dimasa, Rengma, Chakma, Rangkhol, Tiwa and other Scheduled Tribe tribals are categorically mentioned in the Scheduled Tribe Hills in the Scheduled Tribe Order 1950. We have made this demand several times, but the successive government has not responded to our demand. Recently, in the year 2016, Sarabandana Sonowal, he has invited the many organizations from Karbi Anglong, and he assured us that Sarabandana Sonowal is not going to pass this very bill, that is close aid. But now what we have come to know is that tomorrow the Home Ministry of the central government is going to review the BLT Accord. And in the BLT Accord, it talks about the inclusion of Boros in the Scheduled Tribe Hills category. So we wanted to ask the competent authority, why is this double standard? Why are you trying to ruin the indigenous, the hills tribal of Karbi Anglong and Dimasa? You said that you will develop the people of Karbi Anglong by the slogan Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. So relentlessly, and we have been saying that implement Article 244A and give us autonomous state, because when we achieve autonomous state, the whole community who are living in Karbi Anglong, who are inhabiting in Karbi Anglong, will get the benefit from that. Not only the Karbi, not only the Rengma, but all the communities who are living in Karbi Anglong, they will get benefited if your party, by fulfilling your promise of implementing Article 244A, we will be happy, we will develop. But now, I appeal through your channel, the Boro brothers, please try to understand us. We have only 4 MLA, we have only 1 MP, and we are still autonomous district. We have not attained our statehood. So please try to understand. You have 12 MLA in your own jurisdiction. So please try to understand, we are not trying to fight with the Boro brothers or any other tribals. We are brothers. So as a brother, you have also to understand us. Now we are in the verge of extinction. So this is our genuine demand, that the competent authorities should listen to our demand, and in a strong way, in a strong voice, I am telling today that tomorrow for 12 hours we are calling this band, but in the band we have to maintain in a peacefully and in a non-violence way. I appeal to the people of Karbi Anglong to cooperate with us, and during the ban we exempt the emergency like the milk and water facilities and any kind of emergency, and also to the those students who are having their exam, we exempt to those students. So this is my humble request once again to the competent authority, that you have to scrap the BLT Clause 8 and implement Article 244A as we have promised in the last election campaign. Thank you so much.